Geopolitics, the housing crisis, the energy transition, and AI. These topics are dominating investors' thoughts right now. This has been the noticeable trend of the conversations we have had so far this year. The 2020s have seen crisis after crisis. COVID, the Ukraine war, and the conflict in the Middle East, to name three of the most obvious examples. The latest geopolitical tension is the Iran war. Longer term, unless there is an escalation and everything remains possible in this volatile geopolitical environment, we see the pain being confined to 2026. However, long-term investments in certain areas of real assets offer the most durable solutions in this era of permacrisis. Short-term bets, on the other hand, are often highly vulnerable to geopolitical shocks. At PATRIZIA, we see four megatrends shaping our world in transition in the medium term at least. The digital, urban, energy, and living transitions, what we call the dual megatrends. Long-term investments aligned with these megatrends are in line with the changing needs of society and offer protection from short-term geopolitical shocks. Market-wise, Europe is very much our focus, offering a more stable outlook, which is less sensitive to sweeping policy changes than elsewhere. The living sector continues to be the most attractive real estate segment, with solutions needed to address the widespread housing crisis. With housing stock not meeting demand, repurposing buildings into housing as value-add propositions is a strong area of focus for investors. The Iran war once again highlighted the need for countries to generate sustainable energy and be less reliant on oil and gas imports. The energy transition remains a key area of focus, which we are supporting through investments into district heating, energy from waste, and battery storage, to give three examples. And AI continues to be under the microscope. From a real assets investment point of view, we have had success in facilitating AI's rise. We were involved as a selling party in the largest global data center deal to date, and we have repositioned existing industrial assets to pave the way for data centers, while also executing debt deals to realize the potential of such schemes. We keep a watching brief on further opportunities and will act when the right opportunities emerge. We see these topics continuing to be a bearing on our investment activity and remain confident in our dual megatrends to guide our strategy and provide conviction in a more uncertain world.